Hi friends, here comes Abhidashi's All-in-One. Today we are going to visit Sanvalya Sethji temple at Udaipur. The Sanvalyaji temples of the Dark Krishna are situated on the Chittorgarh, Udaipur highway, Rajasthan, India at the town of Batsora, Mandafia and Chapar, about 40 kilometers from Chittorgarh. The deity also known as Sri Sanvalya Seth, which is very renowned in Hinduism. Located 40 kilometers from Chittorgarh, the historic city of Vellore and devotion Mandafia is now known as Sri Sanvalya Dham, which is the residence of Lord Krishna. And is second only to Srinathji temple Natwara. To the followers of the Vaishnava sector, people believe that all their desires are fulfilled by their visit to Sri Sanvalya Seth's Darbar. In Mewar 1840, during the construction of a road from Udaipur to Chittor, in the village of Bagund, a bubble tree was hindering the construction. When it was removed by digging out, 3 statues of Lord Krishna appeared in form of Sanvalya. One of the statue was taken to Mandafia, one to Batsora, and the third remained at Chapar, at the very place where it was found. All 3 locations became temples. These 3 temples are located close to each other within the 5-kilometer distance. The 3 temples of Sanvalyaji became renowned and devotees visit them in large numbers since then. Among these 3 temples, Mandafia temple is recognized as the Sanvalyaji Dham. According to a legend, these idols were made by Naga monks, which were hidden in the ground for fear of the invaders. Near this place is Batsora village, which has a history of more than 1000 years. Pritha, the sister of Veer Prithviraj Chauhan, the ruler of Ajmer and Delhi, was married to Rana Samar Singh of Chittor. After marriage, the slaves and the Charan chieftain who came to Chittor with Pritha were given 12 villages in Jagir by Rana Samar Singh. These villages also included Batsora village. Puraji Bhagat, the very famous householder saint of the Sudhar caste, lived in Batsora. Under his direction, these idols were handled and kept safe. An idol was taken to Batsora village, where a temple was constructed by ruler of Bhinder Thikhana by instruction of Bhagatji, and the temple of Sanvalyaji was built. The second idol was taken to the village of Mandafia. A temple was constructed there too, which became famous with time. Even today, thousands of travelers from far and wide come to visit every year. Every year, all major festivals are celebrated in the temple. Those are Mahashivaratri, Holi and Pooladal festival, Navaratri, Ramanavami, Hanuman Jubilee, Greening Amavasya, Brahmastami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Jali Jhulani Ekadashi. This is 3-day huge fete to the Bhadrapada Shukla sides, Ekadashi, Dwadashi every year, Deepavali and Annakut. Sanvalya Seth literally means dark complex rich. Lord Krishna is worshipped as the rich in Sanvalya Seth temple. It is believed that devotees who visit Sanvalya Seth temple don't face financial hardships in life. A large amount of donation is received in Sanvalya Seth temple because it is a common trait in the region to consider Sanvalya Sethji as their partner in income. Hence, in order to present Sethji's share, people donate generously. Sanvalya Seth temple darshan timings. Temple opening time 5:30 am, morning hours 5:30 to 12 pm and evening hours 2:30 to 11 o'clock, and temple closing timings are 12 to 2:30 pm. Sanvalya Seth temple Aarti timings are Mangal Aarti time 5:30 am, Aarti Falhar Prasad and Darshan time from 2:30, evening puja from 8 to 9:15 pm, bhajan and kirtan 9:15 to 11 pm, and the rest time 12 to 2:30 pm. The Aarti timings of the Sanvalya Seth temple might change during festivals and special days. There is no entry fee asked to enter the temple. How to reach Sanvaryaji temple? Sanvalya Seth temple is 80 kilometers from Udaipur on National Highway number 27. One can easily reach temple from the city by taking regular buses or by hiring taxis. The nearest railway station to Sanvalya Seth temple is Chittorgarh. The Chittorgarh railway station code is COR. The distance between Chittorgarh railway station to Sanvalya Seth temple is 33 kilometers. There are daily express superfast trains from Jaipur, New Delhi, Ratlam, Indore, Bhopal, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Agra and Kota. The walls of the temple are beautifully decorated with paintings of Krishna. The nearest airport to Sanvarya Seth temple is Maharana Pratap Airport, that is Udaipur Airport. There are daily flights from all important cities in India like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Bhopal, Raipur, Goa and Indore. We are very lucky and had very nice darshan of Savarya Seth Ji. It's really an awesome place to visit once in a lifetime. I think you people liked my videos, so don't forget to share my videos to your friends and family members. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.